Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. I love going to Goa very often, but many a times it's not possible. But it's not impossible to get the Goan food into your kitchen. So today let's make the prawn ambotik. So for this prawn ambotik, let's make our masala first. For that, I have taken a tablespoon of coriander seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, I have taken 6 cloves of garlic, I've taken a cherry-sized tamarind, 10 dry red chilies. I've used the Bedgi version, you can use any version that you like, and half a fresh coconut that I have grated. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to this, and I'm going to grind this to a nice fine paste. I'm going to be adding some water. Our masala is ready. It's nice and fine. Now let's get on with the curry. I've placed a pot to heat here. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. And once the coconut oil gets hot, I'm going to add 1 large onion that I have finely chopped. I'm going to add 1-inch ginger that I have finely chopped. And I'm going to saute this till the onions are pink, soft and translucent. The onions are nice, soft and pink. I'm going to add 1 tomato that I finely chopped. Saute this till the tomatoes are nice and mushy. Our tomatoes are nice and soft. I'm going to add the ground masala. Saute it for a few minutes till the color changes. The color has deepened, it's become a deeper orange. I'm going to add half a liter of water to this. A cup of freshly extracted coconut milk. Add a few curry leaves. I'm going to add half a kg of prawns that I have shelled and deveined. I'm going to add salt, and I'm going to cook this curry for 4 to 5 minutes because prawns do not take a very long time to cook, and then we don't want them to become chewy. So once they have turned white and have curled up, you know that the prawns are done. So the prawns are done. We can see them nicely curled up. The curry is boiled, so let's shut the flame and plate this dish. This prawn ambotik goes really well with the steamed rice, so do try this recipe and let me know. For such interesting recipes, keep watching Get Curried.